The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Morgan and Washington counties in Ohio until 6:30 p.m. At 5:40 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing penny-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 10 miles northwest of Chester Hill or 8 miles northeast of Gloucester, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this storm include Chester Hill, Beverly, Stockport, and Bartlett. If you are in the path of this storm, seek shelter now. Please report strong winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 o'clock p.m. Tuesday evening for central Kentucky, southeast Ohio, and central West Virginia.